Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix Slack high CPU usage in 2026. Many Windows users notice their CPU suddenly spikes when Slack is open, and this can slow down the entire system and even cause overheating. First, let's understand why this happens. Slack runs on Electron, which means it behaves like a browser in the background. Um, Heavy animations, message syncing, and hardware acceleration can push CPU usage very high. Step 1. Restart Slack completely. Fully exit Slack from the system tray, not just the window. Reopening it clears stuck background processes that may be using CPU. Step 2. Disable hardware acceleration. Go to Slack Preferences, then Advanced, and turn off hardware acceleration. This is one of the most effective fixes for high CPU usage. Step 3. Limit background activity. Close unused workspaces, channels, and apps inside Slack. Fewer active elements mean less CPU load. Step 4. Clear Slack cache. Corrupted or overloaded cache files can cause continuous CPU spikes. Closing Slack and clearing its cache folder often fixes the issue. Also, check for updates. Slack regularly releases performance improvements. Running an outdated version can cause unnecessary CPU usage. Finally, monitor background apps. Browsers with many tabs and heavy software can combine with Slack to overload the CPU. Closing them helps Slack run smoother. So, yeah, Slack high CPU usage usually comes from hardware acceleration, background syncing, cache issues, or outdated versions. Apply these fixes and your system performance will improve. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.